In this video, we're going to discuss SMS Template Manager. This is where all of the templates that you have created are housed. So first thing I want to discuss is categories. So there are multiple categories associated with templates. So you have your initial, which can be the initial outreach to prospects, and then follow up. So if a prospect does not respond to that initial message, you can follow up with them with templates as well. If you would like to add new categories, you can do so by clicking New Category. We have had customers that use Happy Monday, and they just create templates that say something about it being Monday, or holiday templates, Happy Thanksgiving, and send messages regarding Thanksgiving. So you can create as many categories as you would like. The only thing that we suggest is having at least 5 templates per category. This will allow the system to auto-rotate through different templates as you're sending them to different prospects. So if you click on New Template, and we're going to say, well, this is template, we're going to say initial 7. And we're going to pick the initial category, and we're going to say, hi, first name. I drove by your place at street address. This looks like something company name would be interested in purchasing. Would you be open for a discussion? So as you can see, we have used dynamic fields to make this message very personal to that specific individual. Now, if you are missing any of these key dynamic fields, like first name, you can send the alternate message, or the system will send the alternate message instead. So you can say, this is company name. Are you interested in selling any properties you own? That will eliminate the message from saying, hi, first name, if you're missing that field. So that alternate message is very important as well. If you are missing any key data that would miss any of those dynamic fields. So from here, you just click submit, and now you'll see that initial 7 is under the initial category. If you wanted to make one in the follow-up category, it would be the same process. You would just select follow-up instead, or you can create your category on the fly here as well. The next thing I would like to mention on this screen is quick replies. So if you find yourself saying the same thing over and over again as people respond to you, you can generate quick replies to make that response time much faster. So let's say they said, how much will you offer? You could say, well, that depends on the condition of the property. Have there been any recent updates or repairs done? And so then that message with one click of a button can be sent instead of you having to type this out. So to create a quick reply, you would just click on that quick reply tab, new quick reply, and this is where you would type in the message. The question here is for your viewing only, so you know which quick reply you will be sending them. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to support@leadsherpa.com.